Hi, it's Amy from Digi by Amy, and this video is going to cover what exactly my transparent task card templates are. I created these probably about 7 years ago, and one of the reasons that I did them was because I wanted people to be able to make their task cards whatever colors they wanted them, particularly in case they wanted to match their clip art to their task cards. So you'll notice right off the bat that they are different. To add the task card, you can drag and drop from a folder, but you can always go to Insert, Picture, Picture from File, go to the folder that they are in, and pull the task card in. So you'll notice that there's no design here when I first pull it in, and that's how these task cards are different. So what I need to do is I'm going to do a background. So I'm going to insert. I want to insert a shape. I'm going to do a rectangle. And for this particular one, I'm going to drag it across. And then I'm going to bring this task card to the front. And now you can see that I can see the design. This happens to be one of my new designs that I call Dragon Scales. So I can choose whatever colors I want. You can see in my next slide that I did a gradient fill. And for that, you just choose your colors down here. And I'll do another video on that, but I just want to show what that looks like. And I'm just going to bring in my dragon scales there. And now it looks more like mermaid scales. So you can really make these task cards what you want them to look like. Then I can also put 4 different boxes. There's 4 different boxes here, and they're different colors. And I can bring in the task card templates. And now each one of the task cards is a different color. So that is the basics on how to use my transparent task card templates. I'll be doing more videos to show you more ways that you can use the task cards. Thanks.